Did you ever feel that things just weren't going to work out?
I think we've all felt that way before in our lives.
Our next song tells us that no matter how bad things get, there is still always hope.
So keep your hopes high and your eyes to the sky.
Okay, here we go.
Next time you're found with your chin on the ground, there's a lot to be learned. So look around.
Once there was a little old ant, thought he'd move a rubber tree plant. Anyone knows an ant can't move a rubber tree plant.
But he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got high apple pie in the sky hopes.
Anytime you're getting low, instead of letting go, just remember that it's there goes another rubber tree.
Whoops, there goes another rubber tree plant. There goes another rubber tree plant. When troubles call and your back's to the wall, there's a lot to be learned. That wall could fall.
Once there was a silly old ram, thought he'd punch a hole in a dam. No one could make that ram scram. He kept butting that dam.
Cause he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got high apple pie in the sky hopes.
So anytime you're feeling bad, instead of feeling sad, just remember that ram. Oops, there goes a billion kilowatt dam.
Oops, there goes a billion kilowatt dam. There goes a billion kilowatt dam.
A problem's just a toy balloon. They'll be bursting soon. They're just bound to go pop. Oops, there goes another problem curve.
Oops, there goes another problem curve. Oops, there goes another problem curve. Curve,
Sorry, friends. I don't mean to interrupt, but I was ordered. Mrs. Diamich said we had to make an announcement, so my apologies. The boss talks, you know. Volunteers were approaching the shift change at 12 o'clock here. Mrs. Diamich has asked that volunteers check in at the volunteer check-in booth, which is right over there somewhere. She's right there, wave her hands. And if she said if you don't show up, Julie's going to hunt you down.
And now we return to our regular scheduled broadcast with the Fallbrook Songbirds.
This is really so cute, I have to share it with you. Because I have two songbirds here who asked me to do them a favor. And the favor is, you know, I try to cooperate with them. The favor is, they said, could you please ask our moms to stop embarrassing us? They're out there dancing. You know? Moms are like that. So I want to hear more complaints from them. I want to hear, would you stop my dad from getting up there and dancing? So feel free. Songbird parents? Any other parents here? We certainly have them embarrass us enough, right?
What's that supposed to mean? We should never forget the bravery and sacrifice of our military and veterans.
These men and women sometimes leave their families and homes to keep us safe here in America.
Our next song is about our pride in them and our thanks for all they do for us.
We would like to sing our next song for all of the veterans all around the world and here today.
Sorry. We'd love to.
We're just having some technical difficulties.
Would you like to swing on a star? Every moonbeam's home in a jar. And we better off than you are.
Or would you rather be a mute? It's animals on fuzzy ears. He kicks up to anything he hears.
His back is funny, but his brain is weak. He just plays stupid with discovered street. By the way, if you hate to go to school, you make her up to be a mule. Or would you like to swing on a star? Every cruise means home in a jar. And be better off than you are.
Would you rather be a pig? A pig is an animal with dirt on his face. His shoes are a terrible disgrace.
He has no manners when he eats his food. He's fat and lazy and extremely rude. But he don't care a feather or a pig. You make her up to be a pig. Or would you like to swing on a star? Every moonbeam's home in a jar. And be better off than you are.
Or would you rather be a fish? A fish is an animal that swims in a brook. He can't write his name or read a book.
Love people is his only thought. And though he's slippery, he still gets caught. But then again, it's life is what you wish. You make her up to be a fish. Or would you like to swing on a star? Every moonbeam's home in a jar. And be better off than you are. You could be sitting on a star. And all the monkeys are in the zoo. Every day you see quite a few. So you see it's all up to you. You could be better than you are. You could be swinging on a star.
Okay, here. I'm going to stall again, just so I can fix the bag here. But this next song, this is our final number, and it's actually, I'm going to try to catch my breath too, because these guys are so full of energy, and I keep trying to keep up with them, and, well, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, our next song is called the 20th Century Medley, and there is a little skit involved, but we had some kids who didn't come today. We were expecting them to come, and that's why these kids are filling in. And I know Mr. Zorro will, and Miss Lehman will also agree with me when I say that it's kind of hard because there's so many schedules. The kids are very busy these days, and the kids really work hard at this. And when kids don't show up, we certainly understand. So we're usually struggling. Oh, he was supposed to be here, she was supposed to be here. So sometimes they kind of bang into each other as they're trying to get up to the microphone, or nobody shows up, and I certainly know that you don't want to hear me sing. So anyway, I can sing if you want. Yeah, Mr. Zorro, we'll invite Mr. Zorro up, he'll sing. And I know we have a couple of parents who would get up here and dance, I know that. But anyway, the 20th Century Medley, we may have a couple of times when somebody doesn't show up to the microphone, that's okay. But this is a medley of each decade of the 20th century. So you will hear a song from 1900, 1910, 1920, and so on up until the 21st century. So here it is, the 20th Century Medley.
Smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, the sun comes shining through.
Bring on the rain, so happy smiling, be happy again. That's when you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. Sing, 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 everybody start to sing, la la la, ho ho ho. Now you're singing with the swing, 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 swing. Everybody start to swing, la la la, ho ho ho. Now you're singing with the
When the music comes around, everybody comes to town. If there's something you should know, ho ho baby, ho ho ho.
swing, 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 swing. Everybody start to sing, la la la, ho ho ho. Now you're singing with us.
Numbers I've got by the dozen, everyone's uncle and cousin, but I can't live without buzzing.
Pennsylvania 65000.
I got a sweetie I know there, someone who sets free a glow there. Here's me the sweetest hello there.
Pennsylvania 65000. We don't say how are you. We don't ask what to do. Instead he's running and he's wrong. I love you. It's time to be funny. When I go away from my honey, say what I do with my honey. Pennsylvania 65000.
Work it on out. Honey, well, you look so good. You got me going like I knew you would. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Work it on out. Work it on out. Work it on out. Work it on Without you, I don't think I can live. I wish I could